गाइस, मैं आप लोगों के लिए स्किम्बल शाइन द रेलवे कैट पोएम की समरी जो है लेकर आई हूँ। ये बहुत बड़ी पोएम है, तो इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन मैं थोड़ा पार्ट बाय पार्ट करके, लाइन बाय लाइन करके कर रही हूँ। फर्स्ट जो हमारा है देयर्स विस्पर से लेके कांट स्टार्ट तक का एक्सप्लेनेशन मैं आप लोगों को दे रही हूँ। सो द फर्स्ट स्टेंजा टेल्स अस समथिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट इज अबाउट टू हैपन. द ट्रेन कॉल्ड द नाइट मेल is all set to leave, but Skimble, who seems to be an important person, is missing. The train literally cannot depart without him. The question, has he gone to hunt the thimble, is a humorous way of expressing concern. A thimble is a thimble is a small swing tool, unlikely to be something Skimble would be looking for. So it hints that he might be distracted or simply not where he should be. नेक्स्ट हमारी जो लाइन है, ऑल द गार्ड से लेके कांट गो तक, ऑल द गार्ड से लेके आप लोग कांट गो तक यहाँ तक का एक्सप्लेनेशन है. ओके, अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन्वॉल्व इन द सर्च. गार्ड्स, दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द ट्रेन. पोर्टर्स, they help passengers with luggage and boarding. Station masters' daughters. This detail suggests everyone available is coming forward to help find Skimble Shank. They are looking everywhere they can think of to find Skimble, as Skimble's absence is a major obstacle to the train's departure. The night mail cannot travel unless Skimble is moving in it. नेक्स्ट हमारा जो एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा एट 11:42 से लेके हमारा लगेज वैन तक का लाइन. सो at 11:42 the railway signals is due, to which everybody is worried and restless. To a man is an idiom meaning including everyone, in this case all the passengers. Then Skimbleshank appeared just in time and walked to the back of the train. He had been occupied with a task at the luggage van. नेक्स्ट हमारा जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है ही गिव्स से लेके नदन हेमिस्फीयर वाला पैरा. ओके, विथ अ सिंपल एक्शन Skimbleshank ensures the train's departure on time. The flash could be Skimbleshank's way of signifying that whatever he was doing in the luggage van is complete. All clear indicates the signal has changed, now allowing the train to proceed. The delay is over and the train is finally moving. The train is set to travel a vast distance to the northernmost part of the northern hemisphere. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा यू में से लेके हम लोगों का एनीथिंग ऑकर्ड तक के पैरा का एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा. सो Skimbleshanks hold a position of authority. It's not an official position but a generally accepted fact. Skimbleshank supervises and keeps an eye on the driver, guards and bagmen. Sleeping car express implies a luxurious train with compartments for passengers to sleep, hinting at a comfortable and smooth journey. Skimbleshank is vigilant and patrols around and also observes the passengers in all the compartments. Skimbleshank has an almost supernatural awareness of everything happening on the train. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा ही विल से लेके Skimbleshank is aboard तक. Skimbleshank is very serious about his work. He stares intently at everyone and he can read minds as well. Everyone is quiet when Skimbleshank is on his rounds because he does not accept tricky behavior. Nobody dares to play pranks on him. Due to the watchful nature of Skimbleshank, nothing could go wrong on the train when he is aboard. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा ओ से लेके हमारा ये वाला ओ से लेके हमारे स्नीज तक का होगा. एंड अ क्रैंक, ये वाली लाइन है ना, यहाँ तक, इस लाइन तक हम लोग का एक्सप्लेनेशन है. ओके, दिस स्टैंजा फोकसेस ऑन द पैसेंजर्स एक्सपीरियंस एंड द कंफर्ट प्रोवाइडेड बाय द ट्रेन कंपार्टमेंट. It is an absolute pleasure for the passengers to enter the train compartment wearing their name. The berth is neat with a freshly folded clean sheet. The train has all kinds of facilities: a handle to open the window to let the air in, a basin to wash your face, and a handle to shut the window if you find the breeze too cold that makes you sneeze. A vivid picture of a well-appointed and comfortable train compartment is painted by details like personalized names, clean bedding, adjustable lighting highlights the luxurious nature of the sleeping car express. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा देन द गार्ड से लेके आपका रेलवे ट्रेन तक, द कैट ऑफ द रेलवे ट्रेन तक. ओके. When passengers were setting in a guard would when passengers were settling in, a guard would come to ask how they would like their morning tea, weak or strong. Skimble would be right behind the guard to ensure that he gets the passengers morning tea as per their liking, because if the guard forgets, Skimble could remind him. As passengers pull off the bedspread to sleep in their cozy berth, they can be assured that there would be no mice under their bed, all thanks to the railway cat. Thus, with Skimble around, nothing could go wrong. Overall, the stanza emphasizes passenger comfort and subtly connects it to Skimbleshank's presence. The humor lies in his self-importance and the implication that even small details like tea service fall under his watchful eye. The readers have a sense of security and appreciation for Skimbleshank's unique role on the train. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा एक्सप्लेनेशन आएगा पोएम का, इन से लेके बट यू सॉ हिम, ये जो है ना यहाँ तक आप लोग का आएगा. ओके. सो this stanza portrays Skimbleshank's dedication and tireless work ethic throughout the night, using some interesting imagery and humor. Skimble is alert and fresh. This is because he has tea, possibly with a shot of alcohol. He only stops to catch a stray flea on the train, while all passengers on board are fast asleep. Skimble inspects the station at crew, happily greets the station master at Carlisle and inquires after policemen at Dumfries. Overall, the stanza paints a picture of Skimbleshanks as a dedicated and vigilant protector. He remains alert and active throughout the night, taking small breaks for refreshments and personal needs. The contrast between the passenger's sleep and his activity emphasizes his unseen contribution to the smooth running of the train journey. लास्ट जो हमारा एक्सप्लेनेशन आएगा इफ देयर से लेके रेलवे ट्रेन तक का है. व्हेन द ट्रेन फाइनली स्टॉप्स एट गैलोगेट, स्किम्बल हेल्प्स द पैसेंजर्स to get off the train. He waves his long brown tail to bid farewell to the passengers. His tail appears to say, "Till we meet again, and you are sure to meet the railway cat aboard the midnight mail on your next journey." Overall, this stanza creates a sense of a bond or connection between Skimbleshank and the passenger. It leaves the reader with a positive and memorable impression of the cat and his role on the train. The poem ends by emphasizing the cyclical nature of the journey and the possibility of future encounters with Skimbleshank, the ever-present guardian of the midnight mail.